This is Ron Palou with NetSmart Technology, and I welcome you to AIRS, Creating the AIDS Institute Extracts. In this online video tutorial, you will learn how to generate the AIDS Institute extracts. Additionally, we will review the process for their submission to the AIDS Institute via the Health Commerce System. Let's get started. Here we are logged into AIRS. So to start, we'd go into the Extracts menu up at the very top of the screen, and then drop down to Extracts. From here, we would then go to AIDS Institute Extracts. To begin, we would click on New up here at the top. Down at the bottom, we have this Encounters and Service selection box. Unless instructed to make changes to the date range, this should be left at default. From here, we can then click on Proceed in the lower right-hand corner. Users will then be prompted to run the data cleanup report. This is something that should be periodically reviewed. You can bypass it, however, just by clicking on Continue down here at the bottom. From here, the extract will run. Once completed, you'll see that the grid showing the monthly extracts has been updated with the details of the extracts, the number of records included, and this message: 3 AIDS Institute extracts have been created and copied to the department-specific folders below. Department-specific folders are subfolders of the AIRS extracts folder. So we can click OK. And then if we click on the Actions button here in the upper right-hand corner, we can get some details about the extract run and additionally access some additional functions. Here we can see the total number of records. Also, you'll see these check boxes: copy all the files in the run to disk, also delete this run. These should only be utilized when instructed specifically by either AIDS Institute staff or by NetSmart. By clicking Open Folder Location, this will allow direct access to the extract zip files in their respected folders. Files can be copied locally for submission via the Health Commerce System. Instructions for submitting extracts in the Health Commerce System. You must have a login for the Health Commerce System. If you do not have an HCS account, you will need to speak to your agency representative for HCS. Once logged into the Health Commerce System, click on My Content and select all applications from the drop-down menu. Click on alphabet letter A and select AIDS Institute Monthly Report Extract Upload. Select HCV Monthly Data Extract. Enter agency information on subject line. Enter contact information in message body. Click on Upload Files to browse to file location, or click and drag to drop files in. When attached, the file information will appear below. Click Send at the bottom. Submitting the AIDS Institute Monthly Extract. Select AIDS Institute Monthly Report Extract. Enter agency information on the subject line. Enter contact information in message body. Click on Upload Files to browse to the file location, or click and drag to drop files in. When attached, the file information will appear below. Click Send at the bottom. Submitting the AIDS Institute AIRS HIV/AIDS Epidemiological Extract. In HCS, this is in a different location than that of the AIDS Institute extract and the HCV extract. In HCS, under All Applications, click on alphabet letter H. Select HIV/AIDS Provider Portal. Click on Agree. Click on AIRS HIV/AIDS Epidemiological Extract. Select the file to upload. Click on Submit. The written document, AIDS Institute Combined Extract Instruction, is available for download on the AIRSNY website and is linked in the description box below. Thank you for joining us for this online video tutorial on creating the AIDS Institute extracts. Visit our website, www.airsny.org, for additional tutorials and other training resources.